On the right, we have a shortcut option that is an arrow pointing up, that is set points. There are 3 set points that are available, so when we press that arrow, it will take us to the first set point and display set point 1. Our elevation set point is noted in the bottom right of the display, so we can see in this example that our set point 1 is 1/10 up. If we go to set point 2, that will change to the next elevation set point, which we have configured for being directly on elevation. Now if we go to set point 3, we can see that we currently have this set at 1/3 of a foot below grade. To make adjustments to our set point, we will select our elevation tab. Then we can see our elevation set point. We can select set to make our adjustments. We could adjust our set point to be minus 0.75 feet or 3/4 of a foot down, and then select OK. So now when we come back to that third set point, it will be set to 3/4 of a foot down. We can configure each of the 3 set points as desired, in this case 1/10 high for set point 1, on grade for set point 2, and 3/4 of a foot down for set point 3.